Get some light in here. It's Thursday, it's day 2. I gotta make some videos, focus on making jewelry and accessories for my website because the launch is on Saturday. So new bracelets. It was gonna go with a necklace set. Making another one of this one. Let me know when I do my packing for orders, should I put it in this little bag? I do need to get some more, so let me know if I should. On Pinterest to get some ideas. I think I'm gonna do a pink bracelet set. I'm gonna have like multiple bracelets. I'm just getting some color inspo. Basically posted on my IG and TikTok the process of me putting everything together, so letting people know that I will be dropping it, just trusting God that I just have peace with it, that everything goes well. this is a mess. I need, like gold jump rings are coming in, but I gotta wait. So hopefully this looks good. Man, that is so pretty. I didn't even know I was gonna do this, but this is really cute. I like being this, and so I'm gonna make my own jewelry for you guys, and I can make it for myself. Like, oh, I can wear this myself. Alright, so I pretty much did a lot in this video. I did a lot of jewelry making and basically just prepping because I really want to be ready for this next launch. I am excited for this launch that's coming on Saturday. But yeah, the Saturday is the day. So October 18th is when the new drop will be out. I do have some stuff I haven't shown, but it's already like made already. And I still have some ideas, but I'm not gonna overdo it. Because I don't want to overwhelm myself. So we got this bracelet. It's pink. I tried to do the pink bracelet stack. This kind of came to me. So I tried to do something different. So it has some stars on it, a chain, some clay beads, and I try to make it like silver/pink type of stack. I think this will be different. Let me know what you think in the comments. And then I got this one. It's another sea bead, but it's colorful with a pearl. I think this will be a nice stack because it's the color is just like it goes together. It's pink. Who doesn't like pink? If you love pink, this will be basically for you. So that's what we got for this one. And I haven't showed these yet, but I didn't make it in this video. But like I said, half of my stuff I did make a few days ago, so I do have stuff already made. And I wanted to also like make other stuff, but I'm not gonna overdo it because I gotta make sure I don't pressure myself. But these are some earrings. Let me know what I should name them. Maybe ocean or shell bow earrings or something. I just want to have a nice name. So if you guys see this video before the launch, definitely put some name suggestions in the comments on what I should name all this. So I got that. Maybe it's gonna be pink I don't know. But yeah, basically I got some cherry items that I'm adding to my website. But all that being said, you guys are gonna see everything I drop once I do like a YouTube short. Just because I wanted to be a surprise, but I did want to take you guys along the jewelry making process of it. If you guys want to see any more videos like this, let me know. But don't forget to like the video so I know you liked it. And I hope to see you guys later. Have a good, blessed rest of your day or night. Peace out.